Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually advertise your drop shipping store. Now, there's a lot of questions that people tend to ask is what they can do to gain more customers. How can they increase their sales? Now, the first thing that you need to understand are the dynamics of what and how you should actually advertise your drop shipping store, because there's so much competitions right now in the industry. So how do you stand out and how do you get a competitive advantage? But if you haven't already created a drop shipping store on Shopify, click in the description below on the link and get 90 days completely free. Now, the first step that you need to do is head over to TikTok. Now, on TikTok, obviously, there's a lot of videos that are available of people displaying and showing different products that they're selling. Now, this is one of the methodologies which a lot of individuals are using, because right now the social media is changing. There's no longer the time where newspapers and different old methodologies were implemented by they were showing marketing and branding, but now we use social media, and TikTok is one of the most powerful tools available online for individuals to use, and you could use it as well. But how do you use it? How can you get a competitive advantage over your competitors? If you follow this video till the end, you will understand exactly what you need to do to stand out. Now, the first thing that you need to do is actually do some research. Look at all the different products that people are talking about and people are making videos of, and they're showing it on their Shopify accounts. Now, the thing over here that you need to look out for is the fact that a particular product will stand out because a lot of people are talking about it. That when you have a lot of individuals displaying one particular product, that means there is a huge interest for that particular product. And if you have positioned yourself in a early stage of the wave, you'll be able to actually ride that wave in a very well organized manner and gain a lot of customers and increase your sales to unprecedented levels. Now, to do that, you need to go on TikTok and look at all the different videos that are being made. Once you have selected a product, you will head over to AliExpress and then find that product on AliExpress. Now, this is a tip, guys, I'm going to share with you. You got to make sure that you look for three basic elements when you select a product. The first element is the fact that how much is the price of that product. If the price is low, that means the profit margin is going to increase. But if the price is high for the product, then obviously the profit margin is going to be less. The second is the fact that how many people have actually bought the product from AliExpress. Now you'll have two market research. The first one was on TikTok, where you saw that there was an actual interest of that particular product on TikTok. Then you saw that the interest of that particular product was also available on AliExpress. So that means that this product is definitely a product that is going to get sold. The third, which is very important, are the reviews, because you got to check out what people say about that particular product, what they think about that particular product. Is that product useful or not? And what kind of quality does the product tend to have? Now, once you have done all three elements, this is the most important thing. Instead, copy and pasting videos and photos that will not enhance and give you a competitive advantage. You need to create videos. You need to create your own photos of that particular product. So what you need to do is actually buy the product, just one, and get it for yourself, because once you use it and then you give a review of it yourself and describe the product in your own words, that is going to have an impact on your TikTok followers, on your social media followers. That will increase their trust on you, and that is where you will get loyal customers that will understand that you're the individual that invests your time, your efforts, and gets a product and then shares it with them. Now, the big question comes is that you've got the product. How do you create videos? How do you make things animated? What do you need to do? You need to get inspiration. And how do you get inspiration? You can head over to Instagram.com and get the Instagram app and start searching for those particular products and watch videos of other individuals that are selling that product on their stores and see how they're selling it and how they're making their videos, because inspiration is the key to success. Once you get inspired, once you get ideas, once you understand how others are doing it, you can improve on that methodology. There's no need to create the wheel, because the wheel has already been created. All you need to do is enhance the wheel, make it better in your own particular way. And that is really what is going to make your product, your service much more special. And that is where loyalty will come from your customers. So when you are looking at videos on Instagram, think for yourself. Imagine, how would you want to show this product to your customers? What would you want to say? What angles are you going to take on? Are you going to use the product? Are you going going to describe the product? Are you going to give the product to someone to use or make? And that is where your competitive advantage comes from. The other place that you can get inspiration from is Pinterest. Pinterest has so many different elements that you have to look out for because it is one of the most sought out places to get inspiration from. Now, obviously, there's so many other individuals that are doing these same things after watching these videos, but you need to understand, how do you enhance it? What will make it special on your side? Now, the best tip I can give you guys is here, be honest. Be direct, because your customers want to have honesty. They want to see what really the product's pros and cons are. Describe the product. And you can easily do that by using a website. Now, this is the website that can truly give you the competitive advantage. The website is called dropvids.com. Now, thousands of winning video ads for dropshippers are available. You can test unlimited products rapidly, and it's built by a team of experts, and it's updated daily with high quality videos, thumbnails, and links to top suppliers. Now, you have winning videos that are available. You can watch these videos. You can get inspiration from these videos. It can give you a chance to understand exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. It's very simple to download. It's very easy to get supplier information. You get access to thousands of viral dropshipping videos with new untapped products that are added daily for members only. And obviously, being part of Dropvids, you can enhance your dropshipping store. You can take it to the next level. And if you have not gotten a store, guys, click in the description below on the link and get the store for Shopify for 90 days, because obviously this is the method to take it to the next level. This is the method that you can use to get the financial freedom that you always sought out for. Now let us head over to the pricing. Once we click on the pricing, it will take us to the next page. Over here, you can easily activate your free trial to start downloading the content, but get unlimited download access to all their contacts with the new proven to convert videos that are added daily for members only. They have two options that you can go for. The premium one, which is $15 per month, which is billed monthly, where you will get the winning videos access with unlimited downloads. A GIF file and thumbnails are gonna be included, as well as TikTok videos full access, and you can try it free for 7 days because seeing is believing. The other method is where you pay $10 a month, which is billed annually, and you get access to the top suppliers, access to all the premium features, as well as the fact that you save 50% and you get premium support. You can also try it free for 7 days. There's no contract and you can cancel it anytime. This is the competitive advantage that you can get. Now, the thing over here which you need to keep in mind are the FAQs, because what will you experience? Any copyright issues with the video content at the dropshipping? The answer is absolutely not, because all their ads are original and they use extensive range of content from multiple sources to ensure the ads are fresh and new. And that is the reason why they have a 14 days money back guaranteed. But are the videos Facebook compliant? Of course they are. All the videos are thoroughly tested, as you don't have to worry about your ad account getting banned. But are the videos at dropshipping likely to get me sales? The answer to that question is yes, because there are many factors involved in dropshipping success. So nothing is ever guaranteed. But guys, their contact team assures that all videos are for current winning products based on extensive market research. If you have any questions, guys, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and assist you. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how to advertise your Shopify dropshipping store on your social media. Stay tuned for our next videos. Until then, take care.